going to explain the most important naming reaction, Wurtz reaction. Most important naming reaction in organic chemistry is Wurtz reaction. Okay. If you like the channel, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Here, Wurtz reaction. See, the naming reaction with starting with the W is very important. The naming reaction starting with the W is very important. What is the Wurtz reaction? Alkyl halides give the alkanes. Alkyl halides give the alkanes. That is what is that? Alkyl halides Rx gives and the presence of base gives RR. This is the Wurtz reaction. This is the Wurtz reaction. What is the main concept of Wurtz reaction? The conversion of alkyl halides into this is alkyl halides. Alkyl halides converting into alkanes, higher alkanes. Okay. That next the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether. Okay. Why dry ether is required? Because we are taking sodium base, it is reactive with the dry wet ether. If you I taken wet ether, what happened? They combined as an explosive reaction. See, I will explain. If I taken wet ether, what happened? Sodium react with moisture. Okay. Actually, this reaction is preferred for dry ether, not for wet ether. If wet ether is taken, explosive reaction and alcohol is formed. Okay, but we have preferred what is the ether? Dry ether is preferred because sodium is there, they not react. If I taken wet ether, what happened? The sodium react with moisture, they form NaOH. Okay, this NaOH react with the Rx, they form ROH. Alcohol is formed. And third, lower alkanes are not produced. Means methane is CH4 is not prepared. Okay, and most Wurtz reaction is prefer the symmetrical alkanes. Means even number and even number of carbon and symmetrical alkanes are prepared by Wurtz reaction. Okay, means unsymmetrical alkane and odd number of alkanes are not prepared. I take an example. Suppose I take an symmetrical alkane means C2H5Cl plus 2Na C2H5Cl plus sodium they form C2 in the presence of dry ether. They form butane C4H8 plus 2NaCl. Here it is a what is this? This is a butane. higher alkane is produced. Is a higher alkane is produced. Okay. If I take an unsymmetrical alkane, they give different. If I take an unsymmetrical, they produce different. And tertiary alkanes is not preferable. Tertiary alkyl halide is very less reaction in the Wurtz reaction. Tertiary alkyl halide react with the base in the elimination reaction, means they follow the elimination. In reaction, they produce alkenes. Means actually alkyl halides. What is that? Alkyl halides produce higher alkenes. That is the Wurtz reaction. But if you take in tertiary alkyl halides in the presence of base like sodium, elimination reaction takes place and alkene is produced. Means tertiary alkyl halide is not preferable in Wurtz reaction. Okay, you know that. And here and another, I'm taking unsymmetrical. This is a symmetrical ethyl chloride symmetrical. This is a symmetrical. Alkanes. Symmetrical alkanes are produced. If I take an unsymmetrical alkyl halides, like they give three different alkanes. Unsymmetrical alkyl halides unsymmetrical alkyl halides gives three different alkanes. See, if we take an example, C2H5 Cl plus Na plus CH3Cl in the presence of dry ether, means I have taken the 3 moles, 6, it is a 3. What is the product? They produce ethane C2H6 plus C3H8 propane plus C4H10 butane also produced. Means this is a what is this? Ethane is produced, propane is produced, and butane. Means three different alkanes are produced. Three different alkanes, ethane, propane, and butane is produced, plus 6NaCl is produced. So I will explain that how it is formed. C2H5 Cl plus 2NaCl. 2Na gives C2H5 C4H10 butane is formed, and CH3 Cl plus 2Na gives CH3 Cl. They form what is is this? CH3, CH3, C2H5, C2H5 plus NaCl plus NaCl. This is an ethane. This is butane. Okay. This is what is this? Here I taken 3 C2H5Cl, 3 CH3Cl. So 1 C2. This is 1. This is a 2. This is 1. This is 2. But third one is there, no? So that is the C2H5Cl plus 2Na plus CH3Cl gives C2H5 CH3 plus NaCl. 2NaCl, 2NaCl, 2NaCl. This is a, what it is? This is a propane. Propane. Dry ether. Dry ether. Means this is a, what is this? First ethyl chloride. This is second ethyl chloride. This is a third ethyl chloride. And this is a first methyl chloride, second methyl chloride. This is a third methyl chloride. This is the mechanism involved for the production of unsymmetrical alkanes. For the production of unsymmetrical alkanes. Okay, this is Wurtz reaction. And Franklin reaction also there. Franklin reaction and Wurtz reaction. Franklin reaction means same Wurtz reaction like the C2H5Cl plus, but we are using here Zn. Heat. We are not used dry ether. We are used Zn. Zn is used, that reaction is Franklin. Zn is used, that is known as Franklin. They form C2H5 plus, this is a butane plus ZnCl2 is formed. ZnCl2 is formed. And not only another Wurtz reaction is there, that is Wurtz fatigue and fatigue reaction. Wurtz fatigue and fatigue reaction. It is also considered in this. See, Wurtz fatigue. Wurtz fatigue reaction. Wurtz fatigue reaction means aromatic alkyl halides. Aromatic alkyl halide ACl is a benzyl chloride with reaction with sodium. One is aliphatic C2H5Cl. One is aromatic, another is aliphatic. In the presence of dry ether, what they form? Like this. This is C2H5 plus 2NaCl. This is the Wurtz fatigue reaction. Means fluorobenzene. This is ethyl chloride. One is aliphatic. This is aliphatic. Another is aromatic. React, they produce that is a Wurtz fatigue reaction. And last one, fatigue reaction. fatigue reaction. Fatigue reaction. Fatigue reaction is two aromatic. Means two aromatic. Two aromatic alkyl halides. Chlorobenzene plus 2Na diether. What is the form? Diphenol. Diphenol.